Buti hindi pa tayo makyat dun. Meron ba? Meron ba? Wala, lakas. Buti walang tao dun, oh. Lakas.
3 magnitude earthquake just this morning at a little after 9 o'clock. So, your updates. The President is presently coordinating with NDRRMC and the DSWD. He's ordered an immediate dispatch of rescue and relief teams to Abra. The President is also coordinating with the local officials there and all agencies involved in disaster preparation and relief, equipment for use, all of these have been ordered dispatched by the President. He also calls on the telcos to provide immediate assistance and free communication to all locations where the towers have gone down to keep these communication channels open. He will immediately fly to the area as soon as the all clear is given. And the President and his first family are all unharmed.